Hey everyone, this tutorial is going to show you how to import samples from your computer onto your Roland SPDsx.
First thing we do, get your USB cable plugged into your computer, plug it into your SPDsx. You can either do that powered on or powered off. Either will change it to the mode that we need it to go to. And then once that's loaded up, you'll see it says computer is connected. Cool, so once you've plugged in your SPDsx, you should see it show up here. And then open up your SPDsx Wave Manager. You want to select the device. Sometimes it doesn't always come up with SPDsx as the first option as your device, generally, or it could be saying this one. Just come down, make sure you select SPDsx, hit OK. And there's different ways of storing all of your samples. Generally what I like to do is create a new folder for each project or song. So you just come in here, let's say new one, let's call it Bottega. Cool, come in here, and so that's just, this is the way to store all your samples. Then we want to come in and we import our samples. Now this is important, you got to choose where you're sending those samples. If you don't, it'll just kind of end up in random places. And then you want to add. Cool, so now that we've opened this, we just want to choose whatever samples you want to import. We'll just do a variety. Let's do a clap, a few snares, and we're going to do our toms. We've got kicks, hi-hats. Cool, we've got some options. Cool, so we just go import. So all your samples need to be 44 and 16-bit. 44.1K, 16-bit, that's the file format that the only file format that it will read, so make sure they are that, and then you just click import, and then all of those show up here. Now it's as simple as that. There's different ways to do it to import them to show up onto your kit. So we're going to come here, choose a new kit to import these onto. You can audition them by just pressing your spacebar, scrolling down. You can also press the play audition, and different people like to just have their kit set up differently, but I generally like to do this kind of an order. Kicks, snares, it totally depends upon the way you like to play it, so just play around and make whatever's comfortable for you. So you can also audition it once it's in the pad selected, like that. Just make sure you got the right thing in the right place. We'll go cross stick, and let's do a clap there. You can also choose what goes to your triggers. So let's send a kick to the trigger and a snare to the trigger. And the trigger inputs on the SPD, we have a special way of doing it. So it's only one input on the actual SPDsx, but we'll show you how to make sure so you can have 4 triggers, say kick, snare, and 2 pads. Then you just want to label your kit. Cool, so now that we've got our samples into our SPDsx, Simon's going to show you how to arrange those samples internally from the hardware itself and how to change some of the settings within that.